morning. It's a beautiful day, so we couldn't stay at home. We thought we'd go for a drive and come and have a look at Yandina markets. So Yandina is on the Sunshine Coast, and we've never been to these markets before, so we thought we'd bring our GoPro so we can take you along and show you as well.
You too. Oh my god, my girls love your show. And this is my first day.
Oh, is this your first day?
First day.
Oh, wow.
So I'm doing a real authentic Indian chai.
Wow.
Masala chai.
Oh, yeah.
Then I've got a soy, and I also have a real good turmeric chai.
Oh, wow.
And it's all with the real spices.
Yeah. Well, what are we ordering, Beth?
Chai, 3 chais.
3 chais.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. So this is your first day?
First day.
Yeah.
First day. First day. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Lovely to see you. Oh my gosh.
And look who we ran into. Hey.
We came for the brownies.
And stayed for the chai.
We had such a fun time at Yandina Market, and we've got a couple of tree ferns to take home. I think for $10, that was a bargain. And I've got a bag full of avocados, so that's really good. And then this stick here is called a roast beef stick. That's a present for Molly. So all in all, great Saturday, lovely market, fantastic, very authentic, you know, not so touristy, very authentic. Yandina really has a reputation for having fantastic plants, and they had the best plant stalls there and very reasonable, so that's good to know too. And of course we ran into the Bam family, and that was really cool too. We hope you enjoyed that quick trip to the market on Saturday morning in Yandina.
Whenever we're in Yandina, we always go to the bakery because they have the best pies.
Spinach and feta roll. And what did you get?
Steak and kidney pie.
Yum. I went small on the main because I love dessert. And I got half a chocolatey clear, yum, with fresh cream, best ever. And there's half for you too. Delicious, yum. Really good. Isn't this stunning? This is Mapleton Falls, and Mapleton is in the Sunshine Coast hinterland in the Blackall Range, and it's near the town. There's a little township of Mapleton and Blackstone, Montville. Some people may have heard of those places in the Sunshine Coast hinterland, but we had a lot of rain last night, and we got up this morning and we thought we'd go to Yandina Market and then we would come here to the falls, didn't we? Yeah, and it's so beautiful. It's like dinosaur country. It's all jungle, tropical jungle. It's so beautiful. Have a look. It's just the best. Now there are some really nice walks that you can do around here, and you can't actually walk to the very bottom of the falls, but there's other walks all around here that you can do, so bring some good walking shoes. We just wanted to show you the view today from the lookout because we knew it would be beautiful on a sunny day like this. Great.
Yes, really good. I didn't get to say a lot then, but yeah, ditto everything she said. But look at the palm trees and that down there. It's amazing. I don't remember them. Absolutely beautiful. And the mountain ranges in the background. It's just
like
amazing.
A tropical jungle, isn't it? Can you see the bolt in the tree there? This is amazing. That bolt sticking out of the tree, it's from 1919, when they used to have a cable going across the gorge here, and it had a cage, and it was a flying fox that used to take people across in the flying fox cage so they could get a better look at the Mapleton Falls. That's crazy, isn't it, in 1919? Because it's so high up here and there is no way known I would do that, and especially back then, but interesting, hey? Hey Kieran, good luck with your chai store. We know you'll do really well because your chai and the brownies were absolutely delicious. And thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you next week.